Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always, and we Rice Fashions are really very happy that you all loving our collection. Thank you so much. And today I have selected some beautiful, exclusive, smart, trendy collections only for you. So let me display. This one also, beautiful color, beautiful looks, also premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien, very nice one. 13J RF1 is saree code, 3400 is saree price, very nice one. Beautiful work, natural fabric, lien by lien, contrast green piping, and this one is full border portions, beautiful golden zari with contrast threaded weaving design, buta floral design, very nice one. This one is full border portion, this one is full base part, natural fabric, lien by lien, very nice one. Contrast green piping, and this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful bright looks, red shade, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, green shaded stripes, very nice one, fully weaving stripes, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. This one is beautiful border, fully hand weaving work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, chanderi silk with beautiful weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5,000 for your beautiful, exclusive, trendy, smart looks. This one also very bright one, black base, pure handloom, fine lien by lien. 13JRF2 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, very bright, beautiful looks, black with golden zari weaving polka design, golden zari border, very bright, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, black base, golden zari border, beautiful golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful golden zari stripes pallu, very beautiful, elegant looks. And this one is full base part, weaving polka design, full base part is fine weaving polka, golden zari weaving polka. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base, very beautiful, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade, self weaving bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. 13JRF3 is saree code, 2000 is saree price, very smart, elegant looks. This one is border portions, premium quality, pure handloom tissue cotton, and this one is border silver zari fine 1-inch border, very exclusive looks. This one is fine border, 1-inch border, and this one is full base part, tissue cotton, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes with silver zari fine stripes highlighted the pallu, contrast color stripes highlighted the pallu, very exclusive one. And this one is border portions, beautiful weaving polka design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your office wear, regular wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, have sign also, very lightweight, summer friendly, very trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also pure resham with jamdani work, hand weaving jamdani. 13JRF4 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very exclusive, bright looks, and pure resham, bright golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful jamdani buta. This one is border portions, golden zari border, bright golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, multicolor, fully hand weaving buta, jamdani buta, and this one is full base part, resham transparent, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. pure resham silk with hand weaving jamdani. Beautiful looks. Full base part is multi-color weaving jamdani, weaving buta. This one is full base part. Beautiful color, bright golden zari border, very nice one, beautiful elegant looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, golden zari checks with print contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, elegant, bright, trendy, exclusive looks. So, very beautiful one, black with silver work, very exclusive one. 13ZRF5 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, fine lane by lane with wide silver zari border, very smart trendy looks. This one is full base part, bright black base, one portion is silver zari border and one portion is wide silver zari border, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, full pallu silver zari patch, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable, fine lane by lane. This one is beautiful pom pom, and this one is full base part, black base with wide silver zari border, exclusive smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern. This one is full base part, bright black with silver zari border. And I will suggest this silk material bouquet work, beautiful contrast blouse piece, silver base with silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your bright, beautiful, smart, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, based for your office wear. 13ZRF6 is saree code, 2400 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab with contrast silver border with and beautiful hand batik print. This one is full base part, beautiful color, and this one is silver zari border and full border portions contrast color with beautiful hand batik print, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is full base part and this one is pallu, contrast color with beautiful silver zari stripes with beautiful fully hand batik print, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab with batik print. This one is full base part, this one is border, this one is full base, beautiful printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is print, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your elegant exclusive looks. This one also very bright one, based for your party wear. 13ZRF7 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very nice one, beautiful work, pure handloom kota silk with beautiful weaving design, heavy golden and silver zari weaving design. This one is full base part is beautiful buta work, golden zari, and this one is border portions, beautiful golden zari fine weaving design with silver zari touch floral, very beautiful elegant looks. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully golden zari weaving design, fine weaving design pallu, very bright one, beautiful looks. This one is full base part is beautiful buta work and heavy weaving design border with silver zari weaving floral, very exclusive contrast looks. This one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this one is running blouse piece plain, and I will suggest this silk material with weaving polka design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, very beautiful elegant looks, bright also. 13ZRF8 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, premium quality, fine lane by lane with golden zari border, very border portion is very beautiful design. This one is full base part, red, bright red shade, and this one is border golden zari with beautiful contrast color checks pattern border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari with black contrast fine stripes. This one is pallu, very nice one, and this one is full base part bright red shade, and this one is beautiful border, white border with contrast black checks, exclusive one. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very beautiful bright smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your bright beautiful exclusive looks. This one also very smart one, best for your office wear. 13JRF9 is saree code, 2400 is saree price, very smart looks and smart color combinations also. This one is full base part premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful batik print, very beautiful one. This one is full base part, and this one is purple base contrast border silver zari with beautiful hand batik print, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, batik printed silver zari stripes with beautiful batik print, and this one is base part with batik print, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart bright trendy looks. Also in a very beautiful one, green shade soft color, very beautiful elegant look, soft silk. 13JRF10 is saree code, 2000 is saree price, very nice one, soft silk pure handloom soft silk with beautiful border, very smart elegant looks, best for your office wear. This one is full base part. Full base part is plain soft silk pure handloom, and this one is border portions golden zari fine stripes border red piping, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted red lines with beautiful golden zari stripes, and this one is border beautiful stripes pattern border design golden zari border, very smart elegant look, soft lightweight comfortable. This one is full base part, very smart looks, beautiful color, soft silk pure handloom soft silk with beautiful golden zari stripes pattern border. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your beautiful bright smart looks. This one also very bright one, best for your party wear, very exclusive one, beautiful color also. 13JRF11 is saree code, 3000 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen have silver sign yellow base, and this one is full base part. One portion is golden zari border, 1.5 inch golden zari border, and one portion is beautiful weaving design fully fine golden zari with contrast black threaded weaving design border, very exclusive one. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color black shaded stripes pallu, very beautiful smart looks. And this one is full base part, yellow base have silver sign premium quality pure handloom tissue linen with beautiful border design golden zari wide border with beautiful black contrast weaving design border, very exclusive combinations, beautiful work on border part. This one is beautiful border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, have silver sign yellow base premium quality pure handloom tissue linen. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for beautiful smart elegant looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful color combinations. 13ZRF12 is sari code. 2200 is sari price. Beautiful color combinations, you know. Let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful bright color, fine lane by lane with contrast border and pallu. This one is golden zari border, fine golden zari border with contrast yellow piping, and this one is full base part, fine lane by lane, and this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, white yellow full pallu part, contrast yellow shaded with stripes lines pallu, very exclusive one, beautiful color. And this one is full base part, beautiful contrast border, golden zari with yellow contrast, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this soft silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600 for your smart, elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. And also, you know, beautiful color, golden yellow shade. 13ZRF13 is saree code. 2000 is saree price. Very beautiful one, smart, trendy looks, premium quality, pure handloom tissue cotton with golden zari border, beautiful border, wide golden zari border. This one is full base part. This one is one portion is golden zari border, and this one is full base, beautiful one, have golden zari signs. This one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, beautiful weaving stripes pattern pallu, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, bright, beautiful looks. This one is border, white golden zari border, and this one is full base part, have golden sign, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom silk, soft silk with tissue weaving, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful checks with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. Also, you know, very beautiful one, outstanding party looks. 13ZRF14 is saree code. 3000 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane with beautiful weaving, fine weaving border design. This one is, you know, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane, blackish golden shade, very beautiful color, copper golden types. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver and golden zari, fine stripes design pallu, very exclusive one. This one is pallu part, and this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful color, have golden sign, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane, and this one is beautiful border, fully fine weaving design, golden zari and silver weaving design border portions, very beautiful, smart looks. This one is full border, very exclusive one. This one is fine weaving design border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your bright, beautiful, outstanding party looks. This one also, you know, very nice one, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful colorful design. 13ZRF15 is saree code. 3200 is saree price, very nice one, black base, natural fabric, lane by lane with golden zari border and full border portions, you know, beautiful multi-color weaving box design, very nice one. This one is border, multi-color weaving, fully weaving box pattern design. This one is full border part, and this one is beautiful multicolor fine weaving design, buta natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful buta, beautiful border, multicolor, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, multicolor stripes pallu, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. Black base with bright color border and very nice one, golden zari. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy small weaving buta work, golden zari floral buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your bright looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There have many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. And today I have dipped a beautiful smart looks. This one is a tissue cotton silver tissue with black thread weaving, very exclusive one. And this one is border, silver zari border, and this one is full base part have silver sign, tissue cotton, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu, very comfortable one, summer friendly. 2000 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.